Hi friends, this time we're going to draw Stitch in a super easy and fun way. Let's start drawing. First, draw an ellipse shape in the middle of your paper. Leave a little space at the top. This will be the head. Then draw a shape like the letter M, but make it soft and curved. Draw curves that look like the letter U on the left and right. These are the arms. Then add the fingers. Next, draw circles on the left and right that are slightly covered by the arms. These are the feet. Add circles inside them. Then draw the toes. Choose a point on the left side and the right side. From those points, draw curved lines going upward on the left and right. Next, continue these unfinished curves with curved lines going downward. Connect them with a shape like a sideways letter V. Then continue the curves all the way down. Add some small, cute curves in these parts. In the middle, draw a curve that looks like an upside-down letter U. Add small curves at the ends. Now, draw curved lines on the left and right. Connect the ends with a curve like an upside-down letter U. Inside, draw a similar shape, but make it smaller. Don't forget to add a small circle at the top to make the eyes shiny. Draw a flat curved line under the nose. Curve the ends upward to make a smile. Add some small curves to finish it. Write in the comments, which part do you think was the hardest?